Hi, Mivi. Can you help me make chicken dum biryani?
Absolutely. Chicken dum biryani sounds delicious. Let me take you through a step-by-step process. Shall we begin?
Mivi AI doesn't just give you the recipe. It actually handholds you through the process, just like your mother would. Yes, let's begin.
All right. Please make sure you have all the ingredients handy. Starting with the marinade, you'll need chicken cut into pieces, yogurt, ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon red chili powder. And actually make it 2 tablespoons. I know you like spicy food.
Mivi AI knows my personal preferences and makes suggestions that are relevant to me. Like right now, it knows I like spicy food from our previous conversations. It has learned and tweaked my recipe accordingly. I have chicken, but I need to cut it.
Go ahead, I'll wait.
Thanks, Mivi.